research consistently demonstrates a concerning trend. During periods of economic hardship, individuals frequently allow their home and contents insurance to lapse. This lapse in coverage can have profoundly negative consequences, potentially leading to the perilous decision to remain in harm's way during natural disasters or emergencies. The sheer scale of this problem is alarming. Last year alone, a staggering one. 6 million Australian households faced the daunting challenge of affording home insurance, representing a significant 30% surge compared to the preceding year, as reported by the Actuaries Institute. This escalating financial burden is not uniformly distributed. Certain regions are now reaching the point of becoming effectively uninsurable, a stark indicator of the deepening crisis. A 2024 Compare the Market survey further underscores the gravity of the situation, revealing that over 1/4 of Australians lack adequate home or contents insurance, leaving them vulnerable to catastrophic financial losses in the event of unforeseen circumstances. The ramifications of this insurance gap extend far beyond mere financial hardship. It directly impacts preparedness and response to natural disasters, significantly hindering effective evacuation. A comprehensive study published in the 2024 edition of the International Journal of Disaster Risk Reduction, conducted by researchers at the University of Newcastle, highlights the crucial role of proactive measures in encouraging timely evacuations. Based on interviews with individuals in New South Wales following the devastating 2019 to 2020 bushfires, the research identified several key factors that significantly influence people's willingness to evacuate their homes when faced with imminent danger. These factors include access to superior educational resources regarding disaster preparedness, the availability of reliable emergency accommodation, comprehensive property protection measures, and, critically, access to affordable insurance options. The study strongly suggests that a multifaceted approach addressing these areas is essential for promoting safer and more effective disaster response strategies. The absence of these crucial elements leaves individuals disproportionately vulnerable, increasing their likelihood of delaying or foregoing evacuation, even when confronted with imminent threats. The escalating costs of home insurance are a significant contributing factor to this alarming trend. The insurance industry attributes the price hikes to a confluence of factors, primarily citing extreme weather events, the escalating impacts of the climate crisis, and the persistently high costs of construction materials. However, the industry's lack of transparency regarding its cost calculation methodologies has drawn considerable criticism. The absence of clear and readily understandable explanations for these rising premiums leaves many feeling frustrated and disempowered, adding to the sense of uncertainty and exacerbating the reluctance to maintain coverage. This lack of transparency undermines public trust and hinders effective communication around the importance of adequate insurance coverage. The urgency of addressing this issue cannot be overstated. Procrastination carries significant risks, as highlighted by the experiences during the 2013 NSW bushfires. During that devastating event, a distressing number of individuals, while others were courageously battling the raging infernos, chose to return to their homes in the midst of the emergency. This decision, often driven by a desperate attempt to salvage possessions or rescue pets, underscores the perilous consequences of delayed evacuation and highlights the critical need for proactive measures to ensure that individuals are adequately insured and equipped to make timely and informed decisions during emergencies. The combination of financial hardship, insufficient access to affordable insurance, and a lack of comprehensive disaster preparedness education creates a dangerous cycle of vulnerability, demanding immediate and comprehensive intervention to prevent tragic outcomes. A multi-pronged approach involving government support, industry reform, and public education campaigns is crucial to ensuring that every Australian household has access to adequate insurance coverage and the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions in the face of disaster.